The first thing that you're going to want to do is test your equipment to make sure you'll be able to successfully record your speeches in Blackboard Collaborate. And where you want to go is to the Getting Started tab or Start Here tab. And if you scroll down, you'll see a Blackboard Collaborate folder. Once there, there's a direct link to the Collaborate support portal. So once you get there, you go through step 1, which checks your system requirements. And as you can see, it immediately tells you whether or not you have what is needed or if your equipment works. And if it doesn't, then you need to find a way to get the equipment that you need. Then you want to scroll down and go to a configuration room. And once you click on there, that takes a bit of time to get to it. And what you're going to see is a download the launcher. So what you want to do is download the launcher. And I use Google Chrome because it automatically will show up at the bottom of my screen. If not, you'll need to know where to find your files that you download. It's usually in a download folder. So what you do is you wait until it turns all green, and then you're going to click on that tab at the bottom and click Run, and then walk yourself through that process. You will just follow the prompts that come up. Click Next. And I have previously installed it, so I just click Repair, but you'll just follow whatever that they have chosen. Once you click on Next, you can see that it starts to load the program onto your computer. Once that's complete, you click Finish, and you're ready to go into the room. So you're going to click on Join Room. And when you click on Join Room, you'll see that it shows up down at the bottom of your screen. And this again is in Google Chrome. If you click on that, you'll go through a process. It takes a bit of time to do this. There may be a few prompts and you just answer them. Once you've answered them, you'll see that it's starting the application. Once your room shows up, you just follow the prompts that they give you. The first thing you want to do is click on the audio setup wizard. When you click on this, what it'll do, the first thing is check for your speakers to make sure that you can hear things. I have several different speakers on mine. Yours probably won't have this many. So you just click whichever one you're going to use, say OK, and then play. And when you're playing it, what it'll do is you'll be able to hear it. And if you can hear it, you can make adjustments up here to make it so that it's just the right level. And then you hit stop. And then it'll ask you if it works, and you say yes. And then it's going to ask you about your microphone. And you have to choose your microphone, click OK. Then when you hit record, you can tell whether or not your microphone's working. And this is what will happen as you're talking if nothing is going on. That's why it is black. So I'm going to stop and hit play, and I know it's not going to work because I couldn't see it. Hit stop, and then it'll say, were you able to hear your microphone? I said no. So I'm going to try again and make sure I find the right microphone. Hit OK, hit record, and this time you can see that it's working because of the green in the middle. And then again, I can adjust the volume of that. Once that's where I want it, I just hit stop, play. Then I can hear myself speaking, and I hit stop again. And then it says, were you able to do this? I say yes, I'm complete. I say OK, and then I close down the session.